Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Christina and the camera lady is Maria. So today we have a very exciting video for you guys. Look at behind me, though the water levels are very high, but today we are going to Livingstone Island, which is very good. We are very excited, a little bit scared, but you know, because we never know what to expect. But we are very excited. We hope you are excited too, because this is something that we are doing for the very first time and out of our comfort zone, because we never said, oh, we are coming back.
I almost said, is that an hippo? I'm so obsessed with hippos. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm very excited actually. This is the first time I'm doing it and a little bit nervous, I can't lie, but I'm excited. So it will be quite an experience for the first time. You need the first time, you know, you have that kind of anxiety, but otherwise, yeah. I'm very excited. Are you excited?
I'm really anxious because I don't know what to expect. I'm just ready to go.
All right.
I hear swimming in the water, but I don't know what to expect.
Oh, okay.
And honestly, having hippos, crocodiles there, so this is something new. I hope you guys stay tuned and experience this with us.
All right. We're just waiting for pickup. Now it's 9 something, but our pickup will be at 10:30, so that's the time we're good for. So yeah, hope you stay tuned, enjoy with us while we wait and while we go on the island. So see you guys on an island, but we'll show you as we are going there, on our way there, so stay tuned.
So the whole excursion is about an hour 30 minutes. It starts right here and ends right here. Please bear in mind that within this activity there will be about 4 to 5 parts that you need to do. Firstly, it's a boat ride. Second is the tour of the falls. Third is the swimming. Fourth is breakfast. And lastly is to bring you back. The other thing also is all about safety. The swimming that we are doing too is not much like swimming to the edge of the falls, no. It's just swallowing, getting into the water and having that all the time. It's different from the devil's pool where you swim to get there. So this one you walk on the rocks and slide in. But both of the pool, they are right at the edge of the falls. So please, if one is not good with heights, let us know and always be within your comfort zone. So we'll show you where it is. Of course the guides are there to lead you the way. If you are not doing anything alone. Afterwards there's breakfast. Please, if there's any food allergy or anything that you don't take, let us know. There will be a chef to meet you. Make sure that we give you the best. We are there for you. Is that okay? So let's have fun and let's enjoy it. What happens on the island remains on the island. Is that okay? Please. Is that alright?
Thank you.
Any questions, anything? Any food allergy?
Thanks.
Area will show you where the devil's pool is. I'm sure when you are there you will totally agree with me why.
Yeah, for sure.
I wasn't even ready to do the devil's pool.
Come again?
I was not ready to do the devil's pool.
Why?
It's not something on my bucket list, so
What you are doing now is even more tense than the devil's pool.
okay.
Hello?
Yeah.
Both of the pool, they are right
you
on the
laughing
edge of the
in this
falls.
video?
The difference is that the devil's pool, you swim to get there. Okay?
Yeah.
Then this angel pool will be walking on the rocks, then we slide in. And also it's right on the edge of the falls. And this time there's much water flowing or pushing you over.
Thank you.
So get ready to face your fears.
Thank you for
Thank-
that.
Hello?
I'm still
So please fasten up your belts, eh?
So there's 7 of us. What percentage of people come back
7
normally?
of you for someone to come back, don't worry. The majority will win.
It's a full experience.
Right here, that's all. We'll get
already.
some. That's immediately touching the water, it pops out.
Not really, but
Making sure that
you
you are
know, we'll
covered.
get there.
Right here? Yeah.
I see your boat there.
Yeah. Might just go in.
Finally, we are here.
Yeah.
So please double check everything. Save and sound.
So guys, we're here on the island. We finally arrived. We're still alive so far. So anyway, we're just waiting for people to get changed up into their swimming suits to be up. But us, unfortunately, oh my god, there's
What's
something-
moving?
Yeah, there's something moving here. But anyways, continue. Okay, I don't see any suspicious things.
Yeah.
But anyway, as I was saying, we didn't carry any swimsuit. We were so down, but it's fine. So good. This is why we have our clothes on. We can go in with our clothes. Maria, I think she doesn't want to go in, so I'll be forced to go in by myself. But it's fine. You know, I want the full experience, guys. I love water, even though it's dangerous, but I want the full experience. Anyway, stay tuned.
Christina, Mario, and
Maria.
Maria,
Yes.
Mario. What's your name?
Barry.
Barry?
Yeah.
Mario. Nice to meet you.
All right.
Hopefully you're very much ready for a swim.
Not really.
So many reasons, but yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Comes in one. And the other option is a bacon wrap, which you can substitute with egg, okay? Like an egg wrap. Yeah, so it's a bacon wrap, which goes with a grilled tomato, a side salad, some hollandaise sauce. So you get to choose.
No pork for me. Yeah.
Yeah, same. So, first option.
Alright.
You can have the wrap with egg.
Yeah, the
All right.
Yummy wrap.
Yes.
Victoria Falls, and our natural swimming pool at the Devil's Pool. Where you see the flat part on the middle. You see that people
There?
rocks? See those rocks? There's
Yes.
a jet rock on the tree there.
Uh-huh.
Go within to the edge. There's a flat part. Oh, there's a small tree in front of us now behind. That flat, that's the Devil's Pool. That is where we normally do the swimming. What happens is that this water flowing here, from those rocks, grass, here, these rocks and the grass coming down here. This will be completely dry. You and I can even walk from here. See the first current. Get our swimming. Swim up to the middle rapids there. We ask you to stand because it's shallow. Catch your breath. We swim diagonal to the other side. Rocks there. We come out of the water to the edge. We ask you to sit. We're given a safety briefing. And that's when we jump in. What makes it to be very safe and unique is that there is an awful rope around. So the way you go in, you cannot go over because of the awful rope around. Is that okay? But please, we are not doing this today. The levels of water are high. We can't fight nature.
Yeah.
Okay. So, is everyone clear? So we're gonna go
So
to
what
the
the-
other side and enjoy the love with you on top.
Okay, so what are we doing?
Well,
So guys, I think we're heading towards that direction.
follow there.
Guys, there, now we're here. I'm going to take the photos. I'm not sure what we're exactly doing, but the virgin waves, like Mr. said, we need to carry any swimsuit or swimming wear. So we're getting ready today. So we're just right at the edge of the pond, so we can see the pond from the other side.
Let me show them.
Yeah, it's so beautiful, but it's so dangerous. So we're told that we can't do the Devil's Pool today. Why? You can't fight nature. Yeah, the water levels are high, so there's nothing we can do about it. So we won't do the Devil's Pool. That's what we're doing the angels.
Pool and Angel's Pool, found on the Zambian side of the Victoria Falls, is one of the most extraordinary natural spots on earth, and being able to step so close to the edge of a waterfall without any security is simply breathtaking. Why is it called the Devil's Pool? It is called this because you'll be staring death in the face when swimming at the Devil's Pool. And the tribesmen believe Devil's Pool to be an interface between God and evil. So there are so many myths. So basically, the Devil's Pool is believed to be associated with evil, and the Angel's Pool is believed to be associated with God.
Guys, I feel amazing. Like it was so scary. Like I was very terrified.
So guys, I hope everyone enjoyed it.
Yeah, we did.
We're gonna go to the table. It's time for you now to relax and enjoy your lovely breakfast.
Thank you.
That's where now the 2-3 guys will finish.
Is he okay? Do I need to save him?
I think you can go, please.
Okay. Thanks, guys.
On the way back, we might not see them.
How do you feel? Oh, I feel amazing. I feel like a newborn now because I wasn't expecting to do this, guys. Like it looked alright. Oh, we have to follow. Yes, I'm blocked. Yeah.
So all that stuff that we were doing by April, May, we cannot, because all of this is just total.
Photo?
Yeah.
So we're going to go back on you. I love the fact that
wrap, like egg wrap.
Yeah. No, I'm not doing the back. He's just dipping himself in the water, so he was okay. But also you come in October, you might be surprised because all of these waters that you see, they will be all completely dry. You and I can actually walk from here to the mainland over there, not even a single drop of water you can see. So you guys that have come, if it is your first time to see the photos, this is the time when you can enjoy it. All of you. I like the part where you say they'll never do this when you not discover the falls. Yes, I agree with you. The local people, they had already known it before. So they were using the island.
Guys, look at this bathroom. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah. How cute. Wow. Ready to use the bathroom.
I don't think you're doing it right.
Sorry that we got to go. So you put your towel on the chair. The chair might be hot.
Okay. Thank you.
I don't think I finished my breakfast.
That's the Royal Livingstone Hotel.
Wow.
How did it work? Yes, there. My name is Alex. I'm one of the guys on the island. So please, everyone is welcome. And it's a very, very great experience. It's right on top of the falls. And please, you heard about Devil's Pool and also Angel Pool. And please understand that it's not only the Devil's Pool, it is the whole experience. We have an age limit of 12 years and above. That is to get to the pool. But also, less than that, they can come. They have got parents and all to be with them there. Our food is allowed. You don't need to worry of anything. But as you come, make sure that if you do a booking, give us a dietary requirements if there's any. And also, we advise you put your swimming suit in, bring the normal clothes on top. And you've got water shoes, don't forget the water shoes. So coming in the water shoes is a good idea. And if there's any information that you would like us to know, don't hesitate. We've got information like maybe you want to have birthdays, your birthday, please let us know. Maybe you got return guests, we got even a proper champagne for you. So please, before you do anything, let us know anything that we need to know. We are here for you, and let's have fun and let's enjoy it. And don't forget what happens on the island remains on the island. See you then.
See you.
Welcome.
Thank
We
you.
have it from Alex,
Okay.
guys. So see you guys next time. We went on
With our clothes, but you're almost
Yeah,
dry.
now they are dry.
Yes.
almost dry.
Yes.
See? So come through and make sure, don't forget to hit them up, you know, call them. We'll link the information in the description box, and make sure